bro. Why they so complicated, bro? Oh my goodness. I know them cars around, but I was like, this dumb motherfucker. I'm never getting blinds in my fucking house. We have a fucking screen. Fuck that. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck?
Is it broke again?
Shut up.
Huh?
It's a ghost in here.
It's what?
Oh god. I'm crying so bad. It's a ghost. It went back up. Oh my god, bro. I did all that hard work for nothing, bro. Please, ghost, leave me alone, man. Oh my god, come back tomorrow. Bro, just let down. You can't do that for me. Oh my god, I don't care what else you do. Just
Who you talking
come
to?
back tomorrow when I'm in the mood.
Who you
please.
talking to?
I just want to feed the birds. For the birds start eating the worms. And
Who are you talking
want
to?
3 plus blind.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to the ghost. That's in my.
What's wrong with you?
There's fucking ghosts in my house. I'm finna break these.
Let me see how your blinds look.
Let me help you.
They almost there. Can nobody see you? Oh wait.
Help me! Stop! Oh my god! What if my brother gonna pull up in the driveway and just laugh? I know it.
Hey, what if your stalker come by?
Stop!
Jeremy, put them blinds down. Or how about you close your curtains?
Man, that's not gonna work.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. My mama put the same too far over and they don't cover the whole window. I got faith in myself. Bitch, I'm in. Let's see what it do. What it. Who the fuck? Hey! Who thought these things would go back up? I did. I said come down. Abracadabra, bitch. Let's go. Hey, I'm making the couch. Man, oh my god, bro. I fucking hate these blinds, bro. I swear they was made by a black person.
You got something against black people?
I got something in my booty. That's what you said.
I said you got something against black people?
Show the hell, dude.
What you is?
Black and Puerto Rican, fuck you mean?
Black.
No, bitch. Puerto Rican.
What's your skin color?
Brown.
Black.
Brown, bitch.
Burnt.
Hey! Who?
You remember that picture I showed you of you?
You didn't show me shit of me because who was that, girl? You gonna have to talk about your special lecture and try to
I
make
was
them
not.
look-
I did not.
Trying to make them
Y'all
look
look-
as good
you
as
look
me.
like her.
What's wrong with you?
You look like her.
Let me twerk.
Why is you doing that?
I'm twerking, bitch.
Harmony, pull them. Now you know the people outside see you.
No, they can't because I pulled them all the way down this time.
So go to sleep. What you waiting on?